Having to constantly reference the previous PowerPoint that you were working on in Doceri, as well as connected to Doceri Desktop, may be a little bit troubling for most users. Maybe they just wish to work from the project that they've created in Doceri instead of having to connect to Doceri Desktop, open PowerPoint, and then show the two together. Maybe they just wish to capture the slide information, annotate on top of it, and just play that back from start to finish for the audience. In that case, we need to capture every slide of your PowerPoint presentation into Doceri. Let's go ahead and do that right now. At the moment, we are connected to PowerPoint and we have slide 1 of our presentation shown on the computer screen. If we enter in annotation mode, we automatically capture this first slide as slide 1 of 1. PowerPoint and Keynote are very unique with Doceri in that we wish to capture all the slide information as easily as possible into a single Doceri project. To do that, press and hold the Next Slide button on the right-hand side. It advances the slide, and then you notice the text that says Release to resume drawing. When we release, it captures this slide as slide 2 of 2. There's only a few slides in this project, so let's go ahead and capture them all. Again, press, hold, wait for the slide information to show up, and then release. One more time, press, hold, the slide shows up, and then release. And one last time, press, hold, and then release. Now this is all of our slide information for this entire project. You'll notice in the timeline it says slide 5 of 5 at the moment. Let's go ahead and show you exactly what that means. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of drawing mode. I'm going to close our desktop connection. Then I'm going to go from my iPad alone. You'll notice we have a brand new desktop capture here in the top left. If I tap on that, we start on slide 1 of 5. This is the project we just created. If I advance my slide, it actually will play back the entire presentation, captured just as I did before when I was connected to Doceri Desktop. But now, this entire project is in Doceri. I do not have to use Doceri Desktop or my computer to show this information anymore. It's all here. I can then go ahead and annotate on every one of these slides as I see fit. Go back between each one and add anything I wish to every one of these slides. And then of course use the timeline and play them back from start to finish.